AirTag. I got a 4-pack. You can get a 4-pack for $99, or you can buy a single one for $29. The 4-pack is more of a deal, but if you don't need 4, you can get a single one for $29. So today we're gonna unbox these, finally see what they look like, feel them, see how small they really are or how big they are, and just see what they really look like, because it's been a while. Even though Apple didn't spend much time talking about it in their spring load April event, which I didn't really understand since it was so much, well, I guess it was from the leaks that it was so much news about them and so much clout about them. So I don't know. We're gonna see what they look like. So we'll go ahead and unbox them. There's a little pull tab there like Apple always does. I don't even know what that was for. Didn't help at all. Okay. There we go. AirTag, not AirTags. I'm probably still gonna say AirTags though, but just like most people probably will. Got your warranty booklets and compliance information booklet. The normal papers Apple puts in the packaging. And here you go. Open this up. Okay, 4 of them. Got 4 of them in here. Mine aren't engraved, but you can get them engraved. I just got the regular ones. I might customize some more if I get some more or need some more. To use this, you got to update to the latest version of iOS. So make sure you do that, which is 14.5. A lot smaller than what I thought they was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be more flat though, but it's not. The one big thing, one issue I did have with these when I did see the leaks and the renders of them was that there was no way to put them on your keys or whatever. You can't just, you don't want to just drop this in anywhere. I mean, you could, but what if it falls out? Like, what are you gonna do then? Then you have a lost AirTag instead of a lost item. Or you have both, a lost item and a lost AirTag. So, let's go ahead and take this off. Stainless steel. Stainless steel on the back here. They say it's a coin cell battery in there. So, and it's supposed to last you up to 1 year. You can get a coin cell battery from Walmart, CVS, the dollar store. You can grab a coin cell battery anywhere. So that's good that you don't have to charge it like a lot of other Apple devices. We're gonna finish taking this off. So pull tab. I guess that's like the activation noise. This smaller one, I thought it feels like this white finish at the top. It's smooth. Obviously, you got the stainless steel here. I've seen a bunch of different places they say it scratches up, but who knows? Maybe you just want to make sure that's covered up. But to take this off, I think you push down. Push down and twist, and that comes right off. You see the coin cell battery that you can use. You can change that out. just put it back in. So it's a lot thicker than a quarter, but it's really not much bigger than a American quarter. So that gives you some perspective on what size it is. And like I said before, the only issue I really did have with AirTag when I first saw it is that it didn't have anywhere to attach it to anything, like your book bag, your wallet, your keys, anything like that. It's just there. It's just you just drop it in something. But it's Apple, and it's just like Apple for you to have to buy another accessory to attach it to where it's supposed to go, where it's supposed to be. So you can get one of their accessories to go along with it, to attach it to your keys, your luggage, your book bag, whatever you need to put it in. So I bought the leather key ring, the saddle brown leather key ring. You can get that, I believe that's $35. Then I also bought the leather loop. I brought that in product red, and I brought the AirTag loop. This one it should be silicone. I think it's silicone, not leather. You can get that for $29. And the leather loop is $39, more expensive because it's leather, I guess. And again, the leather key ring I got in saddle brown, that's $35. So, of course, you have to get more accessories, which are more expensive than one AirTag, which is kind of crazy to think about. Like all of these, besides the silicone loop, which is the same price as an actual AirTag. It's kind of crazy, but the AirTags are cheaper than what I thought they were going to be. I thought the AirTag, the whole thing was going to be a much bigger spectacle than what it really was. I thought it was going to be a bigger selling point for Apple whenever it did come out, but it doesn't seem like it really was. But the great thing about these is they work on the Find My network, which is built into desktops, Apple's iMacs, their MacBooks, their iPhones, obviously, and there's billions of devices like that around. So it's supposed to be able to make it a lot easier to track things. So we're gonna go ahead and open up these accessories to see what they look like. This is a leather keyring. It's saddle brown. Got some paper in there. Feels sturdy. It feels like some good quality leather, sturdy like Apple always does. As you just slide it right in, just like that. The only problem I have with this is that it doesn't cover up either side. And I mean, obviously this is stainless steel. Obviously it's going to scratch. Like it's going to scratch. There's nothing you can do about it. And you would think that they would put some little film of plastic in here, but I guess not. So, I mean, I guess it won't be looking that great. They have an Hermes one on their website. I think it's $349 in American. So, I mean, if you're in a luxury, you can grab that. Although I think it's sold out. So you can check that and see if you want that. If you got that, that Hermes money. So that's the leather key ring. Then you have I think it's called Deep Navy. It's $29. The AirTag loop. So So we're gonna open that up and see what that looks like. Feels good. It feels like the silicone case is dandy. It's not too flimsy, but it is flimsy. You just pop that open, I guess. Some paper in there. You just slide the AirTag right in there. Doesn't feel like it's gonna fall out or anything. So then I guess you put it through here, put it on your bag and bring it through here. Yeah. Yeah, it doesn't feel like it's gonna come off or anything like that. So you would literally have to unhook it to take it off. But I guess this is all right for your luggage or maybe your book bag if you want to. So I think it's a good accessory. And again, I'm sure that you'll be able to find cheaper versions of this, third-party versions on Amazon, or I think even Belkin has a cheaper keyring from what I've seen. That's all I've seen from them was a keyring on their website for $12.95, I think. So you can check on there and get one of the cheaper versions. It's not a big deal. I'm pretty sure it's going to be a good product. Maybe made out of some type of plastic. Then I got the product red leather loop, which is $39. Take that out and see what that looks like. So this red is darker than what I thought it would look. On the case, it looked a little lighter. This red is a darker red. This is a leather loop. It feels leather. It feels like some decent leather. It doesn't feel like it's any premium leather or anything like that. I'm pretty sure the Hermes leather feels a little bit more luxury. I like the silicone. I like the silicone one more, the feel of it anyways. But I'm pretty sure this leather is probably gonna. Another reason why I don't really like leather accessories because they wear, and I don't like worn down leather. That's why I don't really have leather wallets or anything like that. So it's the same as the other loop. You just slide that right in. I guess you put this through here. I don't want to mess it up. Feels nice. I think this one feels a little bit more secure. So I'll probably use this one on something that's like my luggage that's gonna get thrown around and things like that. So we'll put that in there. I'll use this one. But that's it for AirTag. Thanks for watching the video. Comment, like, subscribe. Let me know if there's anything else you guys want to see, whether that be from Apple, Samsung, any other tech company. Thanks for watching.